Namaste, welcome to sisterkitchen.com. Today I am making cranberry apple chutney. It is spicy, sweet and sour. This is a perfect recipe for Thanksgiving, but you can make anytime. Cranberries are available from mid-October to mid-December. If you freeze them, you can use throughout the year. Let us see how to make cranberry apple chutney. I took 2 Grany Smith apples and a 12-ounce packet of cranberries. I cut the apples into small pieces. Take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a pan and heat it on medium heat. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. If you don't have red chili flakes, you can use 2 red chilies, a pinch of hing or asafoetida, and a few curry leaves. Don't worry if you don't have asafoetida or curry leaves, just skip them. Keep stirring them. When the mustard seeds are popping, go ahead and add the cranberries and the diced apple. Mix them well. Add a pinch of salt and half a cup of water. Give it a mix, cover it and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. While they are cooking, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe for more recipes. After 5 minutes, add half a cup of grated jaggery. Here I am using jaggery for sweetness. You can use any other sweetener of your choice. While the cranberries are cooking, I dry roasted some cumin seeds and powdered them. This is freshly prepared roasted cumin powder. I added about 1 tablespoon of roasted cumin powder. You may experiment with your favorite spices. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, some sea salt, and some cilantro or coriander leaves. Give it a mix. Feel free to increase or decrease the amount of jaggery or chili powder for your own taste buds. Add more jaggery for a sweet chutney or more chili powder for a hot and spicy chutney. Cover it again and continue cooking on low flame for 5 to 10 minutes. After about 8 minutes, this is the perfect consistency that I am looking for. If you want more thick consistency, continue cooking for 2 more minutes. Switch off the flame. I want to show you that I left a few cranberries in the 12-ounce packet. Garnish with cilantro and the cranberry apple chutney is ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please try this recipe and give me your feedback. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. Check out my website at sisterkitchen.com.